Hi, I'm Jill, and today I'm going to show you how to give and understand instructions in English. Let's start with an example. Okay, ladies, please follow my instructions. Ready? Okay, first, get a pair of scissors and a piece of paper. Now, cut a hole in the paper and step through it. So let's take a look at how I gave those instructions. I said, get a pair of scissors and a piece of paper. I said, cut the paper. And I said, step through the paper. So get, cut, and step are our instruction verbs. In English, they're called the imperative. The imperative is the infinitive form of the verb. So what you would find in a dictionary, but we don't use to. So here just get, cut, and step. If we want to make the instruction negative, we just add do not or don't in front of it. So I might say, don't cut the paper. Don't sit on my daybed. Don't touch my tomato. So when do we use the imperative in English? We use it to tell people what to do. Parents use it with their kids. Stop chewing gum. And put your feet down. Sit up straight. And do your homework. We use it with our pets. Okay, Benji, sit. Good boy, Benji. Well done. Okay, Benji, fetch. He needs practice. Our personal fitness instructors use it. Okay, now drop and give me 5. But I think one of the most important uses of the imperative in English is giving us instructions on how to cook food. As you know, I like baking cookies. So I'm going to tell you my secret of how to make chocolate chip cookies. We're going to look at the instructions together. Let's go. Heat the oven to 180 degrees. Okay, first thing you need to do, if you have long hair, tie it up, and everybody wash your hands. I've done that. Now you need to get your ingredients together. You need 6 ounces of self-raising flour, or 150 grams. 4 ounces of margarine, or 100 grams. 4 ounces of chocolate chips, 100 grams. 3 ounces of soft brown sugar, 75 grams. And 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. And of course you need a bowl to mix it in and a wooden spoon to mix it with. Now you're ready to start making the cookies. Okay, so let's start. First, you need the sugar and the margarine. Now, you have to beat these together until they're soft and creamy. Some people use electric mixers for this. I like to use my muscles. Gives me a workout at the same time. Not actually that hard. All nicely mixed together. Right, so that's the sugar and the margarine creamed together. Then you add everything else, mix them together, nice and easy. So add the flour, add the chocolate chips, and add the syrup. Mix these together. Carefully so it doesn't go out of the bowl. Starts to get a little stiffer now. Good for cookies. There we go. All ready for the oven now. Now to roll the cookies, I use a dessert spoon and a little bit of water to keep my hands moist so they don't stick. So spoon a little bit out, roll it into a ball and push it down on the tray. So you can make them as small or as big as you want. But try to keep them all the same size so they cook evenly. Okay, so now we've got 17 cookies ready to go in the oven. So we'll put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And now we wait. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to get them out of the oven. Yum. Okay, so here's our top batch. Now you need to carefully take them off the tray and put them on a wire cooling rack. Careful because they're very hot, obviously. there we have our chocolate chip cookies all made. Just have to wait for them to cool a little bit before we can eat them. Okay, last part of making the chocolate chip cookies is to taste them. This one's cooled down a little bit now, so let's try. Very good, very tasty. Jill's chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you understand a little more about giving and understanding instructions in English. Now I have some final instructions for you. Try making those chocolate chip cookies. Keep studying English. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for some motivation and inspiration. Thank you for watching.